Learning is an essential aspect of life. It is a process that helps us to gain new knowledge, skills, and insights, and it helps us to grow and develop as individuals. However, when we stop learning, we stop growing and we start to die. There are many different ways in which we can stop learning, and each of these can have serious consequences for our personal and professional development. One way in which we can stop learning is by becoming complacent. When we become complacent, we stop challenging ourselves and we stop seeking out new experiences and opportunities. This can lead to stagnation, both in our personal and professional lives, and it can make it difficult for us to adapt to new situations and challenges. Another way in which we can stop learning is by becoming too focused on the present. When we are overly focused on the here and now, we can lose sight of the bigger picture and the long-term goals that we have set for ourselves. This can lead to a lack of direction and purpose, and it can make it difficult for us to make progress and achieve our full potential. In addition to these factors, there are also many external factors that can contribute to a lack of learning. For example, if we are in a toxic or unhealthy environment, it can be difficult to learn and grow. Similarly, if we are surrounded by negativity and criticism, it can be difficult to stay motivated and engaged. So, what can we do to prevent ourselves from stopping learning and start dying? There are a few key strategies that can help. First and foremost, it is important to stay curious and open to new ideas and experiences. This means seeking out new opportunities for learning and growth, and being willing to try new things and take risks. Another key strategy is to surround ourselves with positive and supportive people. When we are surrounded by supportive and encouraging individuals, it is easier for us to stay motivated and engaged, and it can help us to overcome challenges and setbacks. It is also important to set goals and to have a clear vision for the future. When we have clear goals and a sense of purpose, it is easier for us to stay focused and motivated, and it can help us to stay on track and make progress towards our long-term objectives. Finally, it is important to stay positive and to maintain a growth mindset. When we have a growth mindset, we believe that we can always learn and improve, and we are willing to put in the effort and work necessary to achieve our goals. In conclusion, learning is an essential aspect of life, and it is a process that helps us to grow and develop as individuals. However, when we stop learning, we stop growing, and we start to die. By staying curious and open to new ideas, surrounding ourselves with supportive and encouraging people, setting goals, and having a clear vision for the future,